a little song about a place called Loch Loosa. A place a lot like this place right here, man. Right down the road, just south of Gainesville from here. Yeah, baby, that's right, we're across creek here. A place my grandfather introduced me to when I was a youngin'. Taking camping trips in a multicolored 1970 Chevrolet pickup truck. I used to drive it with a box tied to my foot, 3 on the tree. And he made a topper for it out of corrugated metal, you know, an old wavy roof metal. Got the lawnmower in that thing now. Bring some sleeping bags, which back then was broke electric blankets. Bar Granny's round pillows, the ones with the vanilla wafer thing in the middle of them. And just get on them specs early in the morning. That particular trip, my grandfather forgot to put the plug in the back of the boat. And in fact, he forgot to bring it at all. No shit, man. Got out in the middle of the lake, and I kept filling the boat leaning backwards. You know. I looked back, I said, damn. Well, I didn't say damn because I was a little kid, but I said, damn, we're sinking, Papa. And my grandfather didn't get a rush or nothing. He looked back and said, yeah, I believe we are. Yeah? So he calmly walked to the console, cranked the boat up, and I'm about to pass out because I think the water's coming over the back any minute. He moved real slow, but he didn't move slow on the gas pedal. I went all the way from the front of the boat to the back of the boat. But I found out an interesting law of physics. If the boat's moving, the water will run out of the back of it. We just can't stop. So we didn't catch nothing that trip. We went back home. But that started a love affair that's lasted all my life. So long live these beautiful places, man. Alright, Loch Loosa is on my mind. She's on my mind, yeah. Homesick, but it's alright. Loch Loosa is on my mind. She's on my mind. I swear it's 10,000 degrees in the shade. Lord, I must know how much I love you. Every mosquito, every rattlesnake, every kangaroo, everything. Every alligator, every black water swamp, every freshwater spring, everything. But all we need is one more. I'm developing, tearing a heart out. Oh yeah, yeah. All we need is one more Mickey Mouse, another golf course, another country club, another big community. Lord, I need her. I need her, baby. And she's going away. If my grandfather could, oh, see her now. Lay down and die, Lord. Lord, you lay down and die. Who's ever been, ever sang, ever thought, Lord, everything going away, baby. Lord, she's going away. Oh, it's alright. My release is on my mind. On my mind. It's alright. Like release is on my mind.